If you're experiencing pending transfer issues on Zelle, follow these steps to quickly resolve the problem. This guide will help you troubleshoot and fix the issue efficiently. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can cause delays in processing your Zelle transactions. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that resolves the issue. Step 2. Verify recipient information. Double-check the recipient's email address or phone number to ensure that it is correct. An incorrect entry can lead to pending transfers. If the information is wrong, cancel the transaction and present it with the correct details. Step 3. Review your bank account. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the ashrock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Contact your bank. If the transfer is still pending after verifying the above steps, reach out to your bank's customer service. They can provide specific information about the transaction and help resolve any issues related to your account or the Zelle service. Step 5. Wait for processing. Sometimes pending transfers may take longer due to bank processing times. If you've confirmed that all information is correct and your bank has no issues, wait a little longer. Transfers can take up to 3 business days to complete in some cases. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any pending transfer issues on Zelle quickly. If problems persist, consider reaching out to Zelle support for further assistance.